Hi friends, in this section I will be showing how to install Ansible and deploy an EC2 instance. So this refresh server. So I'm going to see the Python is installed in the server. The Python 2.7 is installed. So I'm going to install Python 3. Okay, Python 3 is already added in the server. So see pipe 3 is installed. Okay, pipe 3 is installed. So we'll be using pipe 3 to configure Ansible. Pipe 3 install Ansible. So it will take a couple of minutes to complete the installation. Just wait for that. The once Ansible is installed, very clearly you can see the Ansible elements have been displayed. So once that is done, we have to install Boto 3. Sorry, type 3 install Boto. Once that is done, type 3 install AWS CLI. Let me clear the screen. Pipe 3 install AWS CLI. That is that we have to configure or AWS secret key and access key. In order to do that, click on AWS configure. Now we have to paste the AWS access key. In order to create a new access key, just click on section security credential. Yes, AWS access key. I already have a key, but let me create a fresh one. Create a new access key. In this section, it will help us to show our access keys on will be downloading the say across the section. So once that is done, let me copy the access key and secret key from the file. Once we copy the access key, I'm going to paste it there. Press enter. Then I will be selecting the secret key. Paste it. Then selecting the location that I need to deploy my EC2 instance. So whether I will be selecting US EC2 as my default region. So in this section, in this region, all my EC2 instance will be deployed. This output format just create none. When that is done, you can see .aws config You can see that region is selected as US EC2 and the credential can be displayed here. So let's play the section. Once that is done, now we will be able to connect to the EC2 install our AWS account from this Ansible server. So in order to deploy a EC2 server or EC2 instance using Ansible code, I will be showing how to do that. Just create a file EC2 deployment.yml. Now we can check if our syntax is correct. Playbook YAML file -min syntax check. So this shows that our syntax is correct. Once that is done, we can do a dry run. So here you can see that the deployment is successful and failure is equal to 0. So to see that error, once that is done, we can deploy the server normally using Ansible. Click on enter, and you can see that task has been created. One changes has been done. 0 failure is success. So now we need to access the EC2 instance where the server is deployed there. So you can see that no instance is initializing. Its security bus to offer. Key file is in Windows and the launch time. So just wait for a few seconds for the EC2 instance to be launched. So this is how we can deploy a EC2 instance using Ansible. Once that is done, try to connect to the server and see